In this video, I'll show you how to download Roblox on your laptop. First, open your web browser and go to roblox.com/download. You can also find the link in the description below this video. Once you're on the website, click the download button. This will download the Roblox installer file onto your laptop. Next, go to your downloads folder and double-click the installer file to open it. The Roblox installer will now begin setting up the game on your laptop. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, as it needs to download the required files. After the installation is complete, Roblox will open automatically. You can now log in with your Roblox account. Once you're logged in, you're ready to explore, join games, and start playing Roblox right away. Alternatively, if you don't want to download it from the website, you can also use the Microsoft Store. Just open the Microsoft Store on your laptop, search for Roblox, and click the Install button. This will add Roblox to your laptop just like any other app. That's it. You've now successfully installed Roblox on your laptop and can start playing. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Thanks for watching. In the end,